Today I want to talk to you a little bit about some injuries that are extremely common, so common that even the doctor gets injured. So, for example, I suffered a really bad disc herniation, and I want to talk to you about the 5 things that I did to treat my own disc herniation, get myself relief, and get myself back to training and doing the things that I want to be able to do. So here's how I did it. The first thing that I did was when I woke up in the morning, I knew my back was going to be stiff. Because anytime you have a disc herniation, you get this intense stiffness for the first 15 to 20 minutes when you wake up. So what I did when I woke up knowing this was I brought my knees to my chest because I found this was a relieving position for me. And I actually just did this stretch over and over and over again because it helped alleviate the symptom. You can do whatever you want or whatever stretch helps, but do that before you get out of bed. And when I did that, I found that I actually got relief and I was able to get up and start my day without having to walk and be so ginger and take that 15 to 20 minutes for it to loosen up. I was actually loose before I even got up. So it alleviated my pain and helped me get moving and start my day a little bit better. The next thing that I did was I knew that sitting was going to be extremely painful because disc herniations always hurt when you sit for too long. So what I did was I made sure I didn't sit for longer than 15 minutes at a time. I'd sit for a little bit, I'd get up, I'd walk around, I'd go sit back down. I knew if I stayed in that position for too long, I'd start to get a flare-up, the pain would grow, and things would just get worse and worse and worse. So I just kept moving. I decided to walk more, and I would take longer walks as long as it alleviated my symptoms. So again, I eliminated some of the aggravating factors, which I knew sitting was one of them. So just keep moving and stay on your feet. The next thing I did was I stopped aggravating the pain. I knew that once I had a disc herniation that bending over, coughing, sneezing, twisting, fast movements would aggravate it. So I stopped doing those things for a little bit. I gave it time to heal, and then over time I was able to return back to doing those things. After I implemented some different types of exercise and different types of movements, the pain continued to reduce, and then I resumed back to my normal daily activities. So stop making it more angry. And then the last thing I did was I knew that if I took an anti-inflammatory, it would help me reduce my back pain because that's how disc herniations work. So I don't have any reason that I can't take anti-inflammatories, so I took some. I did this for the first day to ease the symptoms, and then I monitored whether or not I needed them for the second day. And things just continued to get better. So I knew exactly what I was doing, and I knew how to treat it. So I hope this helps you in your journey to treat or self-treat a disc herniation. If you're having trouble getting out of pain, feel free to give us a call and reach out. We're happy to help assist in the process. Thanks.